Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to add artificial intelligence to WhatsApp. There are many artificial platforms and companies. Today I will share with you one of those companies for artificial intelligence for free 100%. You only have to follow these steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video and like the video. Thank you from the heart to everyone who supports me now. Let's go through the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to the Google search engine or any browser you have, then write WhatsApp. After that, you click on the first search result, then you will find this site. There are two ways to link artificial intelligence to WhatsApp. The first way is to just go to this link or this number and click on it, and it will take you directly to the official WhatsApp. But if you want to link it with a WhatsApp other than the official WhatsApp, here is another way, which is to go to this number and long press it and copy it. Then go to your calling application and paste that number and register it in your numbers list. For example, I will write artificial intelligence to it. After that, I go to the WhatsApp that I want to do. Link it to artificial intelligence and search for that number and that name that you wrote, then click on it and write hello to it, so that it responds to me in the same language that I want. Now it has been successfully linked, and you can ask it anything. It is 100% free. I hope you liked the video. For any inquiries, any problems or any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.